Well, students, we know that in this year some units are neglected. For this vector chapter, scalar triple product, that is, this unit is neglected for this year. Therefore, next unit is application of vectors to geometry. Application of vectors to geometry. This unit we have seen today's lecture. First application is the medians of a triangle are congruent. The medians of a triangle are congruent. The medians of a triangle are congruent. For this application, that is property, we have to solve proof. That we have to take a diagram of triangle. A, B, C. Then midpoints A, B, join this. D, E, F, D, E, F. This will be G. The distance equal. The distance are equal. We have to show this diagram. Let A, B, and C are the vertices of the triangle. A, B, C are the vertices of the triangle and D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides of the triangle BC, AC and AB, right? D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides of the triangle BC, AC and AB, right? Respectively. Then OA, this vector OA is equal to A, OB is equal to B, OC is equal to C, OD is equal to D, OE is equal to E, and vector OF is equal to vector F. And the position are the position vectors, that is vector A, B, C, D, E, F are the position vectors. These are the position vectors of the point. Which point? A, B, C, D, E and F point. F point चे position vectors आहे ते आपण पाहिलेलं आहे respectively. Therefore, by the midpoint formula, we have to see midpoint formula. Therefore, by midpoint formula, we have to show in section formula, internal division, external division, centroid formula and midpoint formula. Therefore, factor D, we have to show in diagram, point D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, factor D is equal to, by the midpoint formula, B plus C by 2. Factor B plus C by 2. Factor E is equal to E is the midpoint of vector AC, that is A plus C by 2. Similarly, vector F is the midpoint of vector AB, that is A plus B by 2. Right? Therefore, we have to write 2D is equal to B plus C. Similarly, 2E is equal to A plus C, and 2F is equal to A plus B. Therefore, we have to add this LHS and RHS by vector A. 2 vector D plus vector A is equal to A plus B plus C. Similarly, 2 vector E plus vector B is equal to A plus B plus C, and 2 vector F plus C is equal to A plus B plus C vectors. We have to add vector A in first, B in second, and C in third. Therefore, we have to get RHS are equal. Therefore, LHS equal. That is, write 2 factor D plus A is equal to 2 factor E plus B is equal to 2 factor F plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. We have to divide by 3 on sides. 2 factor D plus A divided by 3 is equal to 2 factor E plus B divided by 3 is equal to 2F C divided by 3 is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 3. Let we know that by centroid formula. We know that we have to see centroid formula. Vector G is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 3. Therefore, we write vector G is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 3. Vector G is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 3. That is, next is equal to 2 factor D plus A by 2 plus 1 plus 2 factor E plus B divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 factor F plus C divided by 2 plus 1. Right? If G is the point whose position vector is G. G चा position vector काय आहे? G आहे. We know the point G, its position vector is G. From this above equation, point G lies on the medians. From these equations, these 1, 2, 3, 4 equations, this point G lies on medians. Which medians? AD, EB and CF. AD, EB and BE and CF. These are the medians. And it divides each medians AD, BE, CF internally in the ratio these medians AD, BE and CF. This medians divides internally in the ratio 2 by 1. This medians internally ratio in the 2 by 1. Therefore, 3 medians are concurrent. Therefore, these 3 medians are concurrent. Which medians? AD, BE and CF. These 3 medians are concurrent. in this application we have to use midpoint formula for sides of the triangle ABC, that is DEF, are the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. Then we have to use midpoint formula, then centroid formula, that is G. Then we have to prove these medians are congruent. Next property, property number 2 or application number 2. The angle bisectors of a triangle are congruent. The angle bisectors of a triangle are congruent. Angle bisectors of the triangle are. In first property we have to see the medians of a triangle are congruent. Similarly we have to show that the angle bisectors of the triangle are congruent. Solve this property. First we have to take triangle ABC, right? Then DEF, then we have to join this. We have to take angle bisectors. This angle and this angle are same. This angle and this angle are same. And this angle and this angle are same. We will take triangle ABC, then angle bisectors AD, DE and CF. Bisect angle are same. ABC 3 पॉइंट आहेत, त्याचे पोझिशन वेक्टर काय असतील, वेक्टर ए, वेक्टर बी, सी. त्याप्रमाणे DEF 3 पॉइंट आहेत, त्याचे पोझिशन वेक्टर काय असतील, वेक्टर डी, वेक्टर ई and वेक्टर F respectively. Then the angle bisector AD, diagram papa, the angle bisector AD meets the side BC at point D. The angle bisector AD meets the line BC at point D. Therefore, the point D divides the line segment BC internally in the ratio. Line segment BC divides the line segment BC internally at point D at the ratio AB by AC. AB by this AC, that is BC divides internally in the ratio AB divided by AC. AB by AC, that is, this will be X, this Y and this Z. AB by AC means Z by Y. Z by Y. This BC divides point D internally in the ratio AB by AC means Z by Y. Therefore, by the section formula, therefore by this section formula, we have to write vector D is equal to Z in Z vector लक्षात घ्या आपण झेड फॅक्टर सी प्लस झेड बाय वाय झेड फॅक्टर सी प्लस एक्स फॅक्टर ए डिवाइडेड बाय झेड प्लस एक्स झेड प्लस वाय झेड प्लस वाय वेक्टर डी इज इक्वल टू लक्षात आपण this z vector c plus y vector a y vector b vector bc divides point d internally in the ratio z by y. We have to divide bc z by y. Therefore z factor c plus y factor b divided by z by y, right? Z by y. Similarly, we write factor e is equal to x factor, which factor? b factor, x factor b plus z factor c, x factor b plus z factor c divided by x plus z, and factor f is equal to y factor b plus x factor a divided by y plus x. We have, right, factor d is equal to z factor c plus y factor b divided by z plus y by the section. Similarly, we have to show e factor and f factor. Then we have to write this factor d z plus y is equal to z factor c plus y factor b. We have to add on both the sides which term? X factor a, that is d z plus y plus x factor a plus y factor b plus z factor c, and next step, divides both the sides by x plus y plus z. Therefore z plus y plus x factor a divided by plus y plus z, x factor a plus y factor b plus z factor c divided by x plus y plus z. These are scalars, x plus y plus z. For this, we have to show that this I. For this, we have to show that I be the point. This I be the point whose position factor is h. चा पोझिशन वेक्टर काय? एच घेतला आपण. वेक्टर एच इज इक्वल टू एक्स फॅक्टर ए प्लस वाय फॅक्टर बी प्लस झेड फॅक्टर सी डिवायडेड बाय एक्स प्लस वाय प्लस झेड. आय काय पहा, द इक्वेशन इम्प्लाइज द पॉइंट आय divides the angle bisector. This point I divides the angle bisector B and angle bisector AD. This AD point I divides the angle bisector AD internally in the ratio. Which ratio? Internally in the ratio. This step. Point I divides angle bisector AD internally in the ratio z plus y by x. Z plus y by x. Internal division formula. Z plus y by एक्स. सिमिलरली काय म्हणता येईल पहा, ह्याच्यावरूनच आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करता येईल. काय प्रूव्ह करता येईल? धिस पॉइंट आय, धिस पॉइंट आय, आता आपण काय प्रूव्ह केलं पहा, धिस अँगल बायसेक्टर AD divides this point I internally in the ratio z plus y by x. Similarly, we have to prove that the angle bisector BE divides this point I internally in the ratio. Which ratio will pa? Internally in the ratio x plus z by y. And next, angle bisector CF, angle bisector CF divides this point I internally in the ratio y plus z by x. आपण हे प्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे. काय प्रूव्ह केलं आपण? we have to given factor D is equal to bisection formula z vector c plus y vector b divided by z plus y, and we have to prove that this angle bisector AD divides point I internally in the ratio z plus y by x. Similarly, we have to prove that the angle bisector BE divides point I internally in the ratio x plus z by y, and y this angle bisector CF I points divides internally in the ratio y plus z by x. याच्यावर आपल्याला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे पहा. This shows that the point I, this shows that the point I is the point of concurrence of the angle bisector. This shows that I is the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors. Which angle bisectors? AD, BE and CF of the triangle ABC. That is, the angle bisector AD, BE and CF intersects at the same point I. Thus, the angle bisectors of the triangle are concurrent. Therefore, the angle bisectors of the triangle are concurrent. Then note, write down. Note, we have to prove angle bisectors of the triangle are concurrent. Then note, the point I is called point I is called incenter of the triangle. The incenter of triangle. The point I is called the incenter of the triangle. This type we have to prove two properties. Next lecture we have to show some examples and remaining properties. Stop here.